Have you ever stopped to think about how many holes are in the human body? It seems like a simple question, but the answer is surprisingly complex and fascinating. In fact, this question has intrigued scientists, anatomists, and even mathematicians for decades. And no, the answer isn't as obvious as you might think. The human body is a masterpiece of natural engineering, a labyrinth of passages, tunnels, and openings that allow us to interact with the world in extraordinary ways. Each hole in our body has a specific vital function, developed over millions of years of evolution. Imagine going back in time to your high school biology class. You probably studied human body systems separately: digestive, respiratory, sensory. But have you ever thought about how all these systems connect through a complex network of openings? This question goes far beyond mere anatomical curiosity. Understanding the openings of the human body is fundamental to modern medicine, from developing surgical procedures to administering medications. Each hole in our body is a vital gateway for our survival. Let's get to the surprising numbers. The human body has more holes than most people imagine. Starting with the head, we have the obvious ones: 2 nostrils, 2 ear canals, 2 eyes, which are technically modified depressions, and 1 mouth. But that's just the beginning. A fascinating fact: our ears aren't just 2 simple holes. Each ear has a complex system of channels that include the external auditory canal, the auditory tube, Eustachian tube, and semicircular canals of the inner ear. The latter are crucial for our balance and spatial orientation. The digestive system, in turn, is essentially one long tunnel that runs through our body, starting at the mouth and ending at the anus. Technically, this means we're like a giant donut, with one continuous hole running through us from start to finish. Here's something that will surprise you: the pores in our skin are also considered holes. An average adult has about 5 million pores, divided between sweat pores and hair follicles. Each of these microscopic openings plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature and maintaining skin health. Another intriguing fact: women naturally have more holes than men due to the female reproductive system. In addition to the urethra and anus, present in both sexes, women also have the vagina and small openings in the mammary glands, approximately 15 to 20 per nipple. And here's something few people know: our eyes have tiny holes called lacrimal punta. There are 4 of them, 2 in each eye, responsible for draining tears into the nose. That's why your nose runs when you cry. The deep understanding of human anatomy and its openings is revolutionizing modern medicine. Scientists are developing new drug delivery methods that take advantage of the unique characteristics of each body orifice. Imagine medications that can be precisely targeted through the body's natural channels, minimizing side effects. In the future, we might see the development of miniaturized medical devices specially designed to navigate through the various channels of the human body. These could perform precise diagnostics and even minimally invasive surgical procedures, taking advantage of the body's natural openings. But the story of human body holes doesn't end there. Each opening in our body tells a fascinating evolutionary tale. For instance, did you know our nostrils point downward for a specific reason? This helps us smell potential threats on the ground, a characteristic inherited from our ancestors who needed to detect predators. What about our ears? The complex shape of the outer ear isn't random. Each fold and cavity has been shaped by evolution to help us identify sound direction with impressive precision. We can detect the location of a sound with accuracy up to 1 degree. Think also about the digestive system, this extraordinary tunnel that runs through us. It's not just a simple tube, it's a masterpiece of biological engineering. Along its path, there are valves, sphincters, and different types of tissues, each adapted for a specific function. The stomach, for example, has a special mucus layer that protects it from its own digestive acids. Otherwise, it would digest itself. Now that you know more about this fascinating feature of the human body, how about sharing this discovery? How many holes do you think you managed to count? Leave your estimate and thoughts about these surprising characteristics of our body in the comments. If you were intrigued by these human anatomy curiosities, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more mind-expanding content that will change how you see the world. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. And remember, each hole in our body is a testament to the incredible complexity and efficiency of evolution. We are truly extraordinary biological machines, and the more we learn about our body, the more fascinating it becomes. See you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring the incredible mysteries of science and the human body.